Coming to you from Transwest Mobile Department. Can you keep a secret? For the next few weeks, I don't know how long I could do it. Don't tell the boss. I'm giving away a free inspection. That's right, you heard it, 100% free. No gimmicks, no weird stuff after the fact, no fine print. We're not going to fool you afterwards. 100% free. I'm going to come to you and inspect your air conditioning. Why am I doing this, you ask? Well, here in Colorado, it's got the wackiest weather I've ever seen. We went from hailstorms and snowstorms and thunderstorms to 110 degrees overnight. So I want to make sure that your Freightliner truck is running optimally. Your Western Star as well. We're going to come to you. I'm going to give you an hour, up to an hour of free travel time. Our technician is going to come out, hook up to your system, check the pressures. We're going to check the temperatures. We're going to go ahead and inspect and replace that cabin filter. Best part, no bill. Absolutely 100% free. Keep it to yourself. Don't tell anybody. Keep it quiet. If my boss finds out, I don't know that I'll be here much longer. But I want to make sure you're taken care of. Give me a call today. Let me come out and do your air conditioning.